us through some of the options?
Yeah, so one of the best sellings is a rack. So this mounts on the back of your bike here. And then we do the pannier rack, which comes as another option with that also has a rain cover included in it. So that's great for additional storage. Another upgrade that does really well is the gel saddle. So it's got a rear light built in, which is a nice feature because the bike comes with a front light, and then you get that extra comfort with a thicker gel.
It's like a sofa on a bike.
It really is. Yeah, it's so soft. So that's another upgrade. For the handlebars, we do a couple of options. We've got a front handlebar bag, which is great for if your phone, your keys, stuff like that, have it in where you can see it. And then we also do the phone case, which you've got there, Emma. That's great when I've used it for I've been trying to find anywhere, and I've used it for Google Maps.
Yeah.
It's so helpful to have it just right there on your handlebars.